original miles on it. It's like a time capsule.
6-speed transmission. Let me give you a quick demo.
Hare Scrambler is based directly on the 1974 World Championship winning KTM Pentons. The technology was passed down to the Hare Scramble bike, and this one is a diamond. That's original feet Survivor. It's an unrepainted original with very, very low miles on it. It's just been completely gone through. The car's been serviced, brand new air filter. All the oil's been changed. It's running VP non-ethanol fuel. The lights work beautifully on it. It's ready to go, man. 6-speed overdrive transmission. Brand new gold chain, new tires, new tubes. Everything's been serviced on the bike. And when he brings it in, you'll see it's got a new set of Works Performance shocks on it also. I love this thing. Actually, wait, these aren't the Performance shocks. These are the progressive shocks on this one. I thought it had the Works. But anyway, kick-ass machine. This is the bike that we wished we could have when we were kids, but couldn't afford. This is the second year of the KTM engine in the Penton chassis, and well, the rest is history. Penton and KTM ended up buying John Penton out. Now they're a powerhouse in the industry. Just something about the red tank with the yellow number plates and the yellow front headlight, the white fenders. It's a joy to ride, and it looks beautiful. This is the kind of bike you walk into your garage every day and look at it, even if you don't start it, like, life's worth living, you know? It runs like a new bike, it looks like a new bike, it sounds like a new bike, and with 367 miles on it, it's basically a new bike. Look at the Cherry 80 forks on this thing. These are the best forks you could possibly get in the period. They've been professionally polished. The original aluminum rim is in mint condition. It's got a new oversized knobby front tire, new front fender, new front number plate. This is the original factory paint job. Show them the other side of the tank. That side is just beautiful. That's the original Hare Scrambler 2V decal. And check out this tank bag, man. See what's this High Point on there? This is the original 50-year-old leather tank bag, as is the original saddle, original handlebars. It's got a new set of Ori grips on it. The original exhaust system's in this shape. Look at the cylinders and the engine cases and all the cycle parts, like the shifter, the kicker, the peg, and it even has the kickstand, which is unheard of on most 50-year-old Enduros, because you can't even race them with that. You have to take it off. It's still got a shine on the side of the rims, and it still has the original Akron decal on there. And check out the brand new gold chain that really plays nicely. And again, these progressive shocks are new, way better than the stock original ones. And it's got a nice whole shot ST 525 rear tire on there, big hairy knobby tire. Yellow number plates play nicely with the red and white. The silver frame with the black engine cases, and the oversized fins on the header are awesome. Check out the tank bag, the way it's held on here. It's just freaking cool, man. You can put inside of here, you can put your spark plugs and whatever else you need, your route sheet. This thing's perfectly clean and straight. It's been given a full rotisserie detail, and it's just been tuned up by the wizard. He went through the carb, put a new air filter in it, new spark plug, new gear oil. Check out the engine cases and show them the bottom of the frame rails. I always recommend, especially off-road bikes, you got to look at the frame rails. These are chromoly steel, and they can be easily dented and damaged, and they can rust. These are like brand new, like they just came out of the crate in 1975. Obviously the hallmark of a very, very low mileage, mint original bike that's been massaged to the perfection by the top shelf mechanics here at Kaplan Cycles and the New England Motorcycle Museum. We sell more vintage classic two-strokes, Pentons, and Husqvarnas than I think anybody else in the country. And I'm pleased to be representing this one. This one's an absolute diamond. It'll be on display on the 3rd floor of the New England Motorcycle Museum in our Penton section with 4 or 5 other pristine Pentons from this era. This one's up for sale in this month's auction. If you're interested, call us 860-454-7024. If you're looking for a classic that's ready to go and needs nothing, roll it into your museum or roll it onto the start line at the Mid-Ohio AMA Vintage Nationals Enduro or Motocross. This bike's got it all. I'm going to take it for one last ride. If you have any questions, give me a call. We can ship this anywhere in the country for you. We can also provide you with financing. If you need financing, we do financing in-house on these classics. So the bank has no problem giving money on these because they know they're going up in value.